I thought I'd make a little pamper video. I think it's so important to like just take a step back, take a day off. It's okay, like miss a day of work. Just take care of your body, be in touch with your body, pamper yourself, feel good, take care of your skin, take care of your hair. Nakal para alikati pamper yourself, because I think it is such a great way to rejuvenate and self-love. Self-love will always pay off. First thing that I'm gonna go do is get my nails done. And Kesang from New York is here in Nepal right now. And I'm gonna go get my nails done with her. So I'll see you guys from there. The ride of the day! Thank you for doing my nails. I just got done doing my nails. Looks so pretty. Hey guys, I am here at Embellish Studio and I'm here to get myself a new hair. Hi! Hi! Hi, this is Lasta.
It dries.
It's so dry. What color should we do? So we've decided to highlight my hair with अलिकति ग्रे खालको टोन छ है त्यो
Center type ma.
सेन्टर भन्छ
Center tone.
सेन्ड्रे टोनमा हामीले हाइलाइट गर्ने भयो तातो पानी छ नि तपाईँको नाम के हो अरे सन्नु तारू We are done coloring. Now we're going to cut.